Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So, if you want to know how to connect your iPhone to your TV, this is the right guide. This might be the cheapest way for you to use your apps and see your favorite content on a bigger screen, and the good news is it'll also support both sound and video, and is really simple. If you have an iPad, this method might be useful for you as well, although you may need a different type of adapter or dongle. HDMI cable, digital AV adapter, TV with an unused HDMI port. Think about your budget, interests, and most common uses. Also bear in mind the cable will need to run from the back of your TV to your iPhone, so make sure you buy one that's long enough. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to a free HDMI port on your TV. Look for it on the sides of the TV and also behind it. It should have the HDMI label on it. Make a note of the number. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to the Lightning digital AV adapter. Connect the lighting connector to your iPhone. Turn on your TV and use your remote control or the TV controls to switch to the correct HDMI port you just plugged the cable into. The picture and sound from your iPhone or iPad should appear on screen. So, another easy method using a plug-and-play cable to connect your iPhone to your TV. If you have a TV that allows you to connect a USB to your phone, you can get a plug-and-play cable that has an HDMI side, a USB connection, and also the lighting side for your iPhone, instead of having to buy two different cables. But bear in mind that certain HDMI cables will not support paid subscriptions and apps. Connect one side of the HDMI cable to the HDMI port as well as the USB side in your TV. Look for ports with the HDMI and USB label on it. Connect the lighting side into your iPhone. Turn on your TV and look for the HDMI input you chose. Start enjoying what is on your phone on your TV. Well, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.